What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today's video is brought by Tesery.com, your one-stop shop for all your Tesla accessories, whether it be the Model 3, Y, XS, or the brand new Cybertruck like I got right here. They went ahead and set all the mats needed for the truck along with some extra accessories here and this inflatable mattress for the bed of the Cybertruck. I'll probably do a separate video on this because I do want to spend a night in the truck bed with this inflatable mattress, so I'll make a separate video on this. But without further ado, let's take a look at the floor mats first, and then we'll move on to the bed mats. So first off, let me give you a glimpse of these rinky-dinky floor mats that Tesla gives you. You spend a lot of money on a vehicle and they give you these cheap ass floor mats. They're so thin that I think you can put the all-weather floor mats over those. So let me go ahead and check. Look how robust and good these all-weather floor mats are from Tesery. Now this bad boy is going to go in like so, very easily installed. One benefit that I like about this is you get to hide the little ribbon. Look at this. So it looks, the little ribbon's gone. Now, these conform very nice to the truck itself. The only thing that I do recommend is you leave them out in the sun for a couple of days. So they do come folded. If you leave them out in the sun for a couple of days, they kind of start to open up and kind of form to the original shape if they come all bented and creased. But that looks absolutely fantastic. It's looking very nice. You got a nice lip around there, so if you spill anything, it stays in here. Goes to the nice border here. Very nice all-weather floor mat from Tesery. Let me go to the other side and install that one. And the easiest way to install these is you're just gonna scoop the seat back and then just kind of cuff this in like this, so you can put this in between the rail, and then this just goes in like so. As you can see, this is a little curled up here. It does go back a little bit more, I believe. Mash it in place like so. You got very nice rugged floor mats. Look at that, all-weather floor mats. Kind of match the center of your console right there with the lines. It looks all uniform. Looks very nice, actually. I like it. You can leave the original ones down there. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't affect it. But you have a very nice Tesery format. I would have loved to see a little bit more of a little cup here at the edge, just in case you spill something. Kind of contains it and keeps it in the floor mat, but what it does is, I guess, it runs off this way because it is cupped. I don't know if you can see all the way around there. So the easiest way to install the back seat is obviously just raising the rear seats up, and it just goes in very nice. I like how it conforms all around the edge there, still not leaving your vent underneath the seats exposed, which is a plus. And you do have a little lip here on the edge, just in case something does spill, it doesn't go back here onto the carpet. Very nice overlap here on the edge. I like to see that as well in the back. My kids play sports, and this is going to come very handy after games or anything to keep all their dirt off their cleats and themselves contained within the floor mat and not get it into the carpet. I also like this protection here, like I mentioned before. Looks very, very nice. So if you guys are unaware, the back of the bed has a little trunk as well, and there is the mat for this as well. It does have the hole for the drain plug right there, which is absolutely plus, which absolutely looks amazing. Let's go ahead and close this, and that is the mat for the bed. Now this one, I strongly recommend leaving this a lot longer in the sun, because this one comes folded in multiple spots and it does come creased, so it's going to take a while for it to conform to the actual truck bed here, but it's a lot better than it was before. I left it a couple days out in the sun and it's starting to flatten out very nice. Now let's go over to the front and place the mat for the front. Now here is the front, and this is the mat, which looks absolutely nice as well. I like how it kind of just goes in like so. It's a little wobbly, but like I said, leave them out in the sun for a little bit and then they'll kind of form to their shape. This looks like it's going to be a good addition. Just got to flatten it out a little bit and it's good to go. But other than that, it looks very good and it does close just fine. Okay, so up next we have the center tray here for the bottom of the center console. So without further ado, this comes in two pieces. You put it together here. There's a little track system with 3 inserts. It just goes in there and inserts pretty easily, but it's not too bad to put together. And you do have these little rubber mats here that go on inside here. This one's a little warped, but I'm pretty sure with some heat it'll conform to its size. And this thing just goes in back like that and sits in there very nicely in the center console. It looks very good, a lot better than I had before. You can put a lot of stuff in here, like a tissue box, some glasses, some more Yeti drinks or anything. It's gonna hold it and keep it in place very nice compared to it just having it slide around. All right, up next you have these little cubbies for the door that adds more functionality to your doors, because the doors do have a lot of wasted space. So these go 2 in the front and 2 in the rear. So without further ado, let's go and install these. So the ones with the notch back here, those are the ones that go on the front door. So as you can see, this is the door handle here, but there is a lot of wasted space. So what you can do with these is just install these in like so, and now you have a nice little cubby to put your cell phone, some keys, anything in here, and then it still serves as the door handle purpose, so you're not missing out on anything. Inside you do have these little rubber liners, and if you want to just take it out to clean them out, you just take them out like that and voila. Look, it's very good. I like how it kind of conforms to the shape of the door as well. But they're a nice addition to have. It adds extra functionality to your door. And this is the one for the rear doors. These just go in like that. Bam. So now your kids can put their cell phone there, put their little junk they want to carry there, or you can use it as a little trash bin as well if they want. Easily take it out, dump it, and put it back in there. So there you have it, gadgeteers. That is Tesery accessories that they sent over for the Cybertruck. There is plenty of more accessories that you can get on their website. Link will be in the description of the video to all these amazing products. And make sure you hit up their website, Tesery.com. If you have any Tesla, if you don't even have a Cybertruck, if you have anything else, make sure you hit it up, because I'm pretty sure you're going to find something that you like for your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one.